Good morning, new day, new vlog, new video. So I'm here in the mess of all the trays. This I already refill it with soil. The small one still empty. And here I start already to put the seeds. This is beans, like they call it hook beans. They have this shape. It's famous a bit here. And I plant also this bean, but this you don't eat the shell, you just peel it and eat what inside, and look this colorful. And this, yeah, the last beans this year, because there is 1 month remain of the summer. I think at September it will be ready and it will be the last round. So yeah, I just put the holes to put the seeds, and I drop maybe 3 seeds per hole. And yeah, I will make today around as much as I can from this, but I need to make maybe 12 tray from one type and 12 from the other type. And yeah, the beans are really so fast, maybe in 2 weeks they'll be transplanted. And in the meantime, I'm listening to podcasts about homeschooling. So now I'm done already with the beans, and I start with the salad, different types. The crab, round, iceberg, and these strange types. So yeah, salad is 160 cell. Still miss little by little. And yeah, I use this small seeder to drop the seeds in the cells itself. I try to drop just one. If two fall down, it's not a big deal. But if five, and after I don't cover this small seeds with soil like I do. I cover it actually with vermiculite, which is this like stone dust. It's actually a volcanic stone that it's popped, like they heat it in a so high temperature, so it popped like popcorn. So it's so light in the weight, and this actually help the small seeds to germinate easier than when you cover it with just soil, because sometimes with small seeds they a bit suffered the compaction of the soil when you water in the top, and with this I see that they have more germination possibilities. So I do now more or less 3 trays from each type. So I did 3 from the red and now 3 from this American. And yeah, going on. So today we got more and more seedling. It's the ones that I did yesterday, which is the last round of the beans. I just left it outside because inside there is no more room. And even today I will travel like 100 kilometer going, 100 kilometer coming back to bring more seedling of things that I'm afraid to not succeed, which is fennel actually. And here inside now a new batch. Just yesterday, that's why no greens yet. We will see how much, like usually from 3 to 7 days to germinate. Depend the types of plant, the climate, everything. And salad usually they don't germinate in a high temperature, but these days are cloudy, so hopefully they do it. The van is full of seedling. Some leek, spinach, fennel, cima di rapa. Here they make it. And still I'm waiting for more stuff. And here all the seedling under the tree getting watered every day with this butterfly sprinkler, so it can cover all of them at once. Even the ones I had before that I made, I put them here to get watered in the meantime. And so far, yeah, it's working.